Hi guys, doing and welcome to another ARC Garage video. If you want to see more Alfa Romeo related content, make sure to hit like, share and subscribe. Today we're going to be restoring these window switches or controls, whatever you want to call them. The car manufacturers finish them off in this rubberized paint, I guess for better feel or something, and the paint itself deteriorates over time and it turns to this sticky goo, which not only looks bad but it also accumulates dirt. We're also going to be restoring this door handle as well, which is also finished in the rubberized paint, but we're actually going to use a slightly different process. So we are basically going to go from this right here to this in only 30 minutes of work. First thing you have to do to remove the window controls is to remove this Phillips screw right here. If you fail to do so, you will definitely cause some damage to the window controls themselves. Alright, let's start with disassembly. After you get the screw undone, you can pull out the window switches and the whole module out. Make sure to use a plastic tool like this. Do not use screwdrivers and things like that because you might damage the plastic or the upholstery around. Alright, as you can see right here, we got these two connectors. To undo them, all you have to do is press on these little safety clips and pull them out. Alright, this one is coming out a little harder, but just move it around a little bit and it will get undone. Initially I wanted to repaint the whole thing, but because of the illuminated arrow for door mirror controls, I decided to abandon that approach. Now to take the door module apart, you have to undo these little clips right here. You got 3 more on the other side as well. You can do it by using a small flathead screwdriver. However, do not try to take the module apart in your hand. It can just open up and spill small parts everywhere. So the smartest way to take it apart would be to place it face down on a smooth surface and to open up one part with a screwdriver. I'm gonna remove the plastic pins that I just showed you, and we're gonna put them on in the safe spot so we don't lose them. Now that we got that out of the way, we still have to take these two pieces apart, and the easiest way to do that is using a slightly bigger flathead screwdriver. Undo the plastic clips on one side and take it apart the rest of the way by hand. Alright, that's basically it. Also be careful with these window buttons right here. They have these 2 small clips on the side, and if you break one of them, they'll basically be useless. This circular part is out, and we got one more to remove. To remove this piece right here, all you have to do is push it out. And that is it. Here's the piece we need to restore. As you can see right here, it looks really bad. Now there are easier ways to do this, but I actually want to do this properly, and I want to achieve the best results possible. Since this plastic piece is actually white in color with the black base coat and the rubberized top layer, I'm gonna use this heat gun right here to heat it up good, and I'm gonna wipe the rubberized part off with a piece of cotton fabric. If you don't have a heat gun, you can use a basic hair dryer. Now, as you can see right here, the paint is already coming off and the black base coat is showing through. The reason I've avoided any abrasive products and things like that is because if we go through this black base coat, the white plastic is going to show underneath and the end results are not going to be good. It takes a bit of patience, but the whole thing shouldn't last more than 10-15 minutes. Here's our end result. As you can see right here, it looks pretty good. There is still some residue left, and because of that I'm gonna take my polishing compound and I'm gonna polish it up a little bit. And there you go, here's our restored piece of plastic. As you can see, it basically looks like new. Now we're gonna reassemble everything and we're gonna put it onto the car. Now I'm gonna take care of the interior door handle with this 70% alcohol and some cotton fabric before I mount the restored window switches. And finally, here's our end result. As you can see right here, our restored window switches came out amazing, basically like new. I'm more than happy with the results. I didn't have to repaint anything. The door handle also came out great. And that would basically be it for this video. If you liked it, hit like button and support our channel by subscribing and by hitting the notification button.